Hello everyone, and welcome to another video from me, Ryan. We're closing up for the year in terms of content. It's going to be the last video I bring you before Christmas. So yeah, I just thought today I would talk about the Rio Ferdinand Foundation in association with London United. It's something that the university is taking part in, so I figured I'd make a video on it explaining what it is and how you can get involved. So yeah, let's get in the video. Throw this bad boy on, just because I figured it's Christmas. So yeah, the Rio Ferdinand Foundation in association with London have created an inter-borough esports tournament competing on FIFA 21 and NBA 2K21. But it also has a side section which the university is getting involved in, which is a lot of workshops which aim to tackle the youth unemployment. So there'll be lots of digital workshops going on, hosted by Staffordshire University, as well as some other universities getting involved as well. I know that recently some of the staff at the London campus did one on video editing, so that's very useful if that's something you want to get into. If you're competing, you have to be from Hackney, Lambeth, Lewisham or Kingston. And yeah, it's an event endorsed by the Mayor of London and his Sports Unites campaign. So yeah, it's all about digital workshops, educating the youth about, you know, how to get employed, good employability skills to learn. So I think there's a lot that, even if you're not competing, you can still learn a lot from the workshops going on, which I think is a good opportunity. And yeah, if you want to find out more, there'll be a link in the description. Vice versa, you can go to londonunited.gg, LDNUTD.gg. It's a very esports name, to find out more. But like I say, there'll be a link in the description if you want to find out more. And yeah, that's just a brief video talking about the London United tournament campaign. I hope you have a very good holiday. And I'll see you in the new year with some new content. So yeah, stay safe everyone, and I'll see you next time.